we're going to rock a challenge out. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you not seen us before, it's Langers, the overgrown child, that is the Scruffy Trader. And this is Wonderwink. And we are wondering what's going on in this noggin at the minute, because I might have been in the doghouse when you saw the last video, but someone's in it definitely now. Explain yourself. What have you done?
I bought something and it defaulted back to my old address, so the parcel's got the wrong place.
An address that we haven't lived in for 6 years. So what are you doing now?
I'm just ordered it again.
Having to buy it again. So, I know it's a running joke on the channel, but I think this might be looking good now.
Well, hello. Ding dong.
Oi. Still no. What are we doing? Well, I am going to be trading, and if you haven't been here before, this is a trading channel. But it's a trading, put my teeth back in, trading channel that's slightly different. In the sense, this is actually my job. And teaching Winky how to do things at the moment. Although at the moment she's teaching herself how to use a computer again. Why? Because she doesn't know how to clear her cookies out and send things to other addresses. And when they get what she ordered for me, they might well be shocked. Well, it's swimming trunks, so I guess they will be. No, we're going away at the weekend. I need some new swimmers. I did get a Borat bikini, if you saw it. Which may well, I'll show you.
Matron, take them away.
Let me flick this over and I'll show you, tell you what all the challenge is about. Earlier on today, I said to the guys, I was kind of done for the day. And I put it in, and we do mess about, actually. All right, we messed about quite a lot this morning. Right, there we are. No need to work today. Why? Because all my trades came in what I wanted. Superb. All right. So I'm quite happy with that. And I'm really pleased with the way that it went. You know. But me being me, the guys were chatting. And I said I might do a challenge in the Morningstar video that I put up. And straight away, Finny Big Balls, little salute to you, my friend. And also a salute to Dusty, because we figured out that it was you sent the gift. So very much appreciate, my friend. I love your sense of humor. You are right on the right wavelength. When are you going to put yours on? Dusty, she needs one. So, what's going on? What are we doing? So, there's the Morningstar where I said I would do it. We're taking the mickey out the Lambo boys.
You ding dong!
Give it to me again.
You ding dong!
Personally, I think you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah, they do wind me up. And as I was saying, Finny said, well, if we're doing a challenge, he'll give me a challenge. And he said, trade cable long at 130, because he's thinking the market might reverse and he doesn't want to make it easy for me. Well, that's very kind of you. Thanks very much. I'll see if I can get 10 pips. And that's it. The cable can do that. Because you can, believe it or not, trade any direction if you're day trading. Go in with a clean bias, you know, market neutral if you like. Because the market will move 10 pips one way, it'll move 10 pips the other way.
You serious?
The key is patience and waiting for the setup. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's coming up to 25 past 1. So I'll be starting to break the charts down and have a look at it. And if you haven't seen this before, what it is, it's a Discord group that we run. There is a link for it in the description. And we have merriment and chat, rags and riches, so we can see where we're up to. Guys put in their results, pick you up when you fall, pat you on the back when you've done well, look at day trades, look at swing trades, break down the individual products, whether they be longer term swings on the indices, or it might be a day trade on the indices, but it's the charts that we're interested in. As you can see, we do, like I say, we do enjoy ourselves. Take it into commodities, Forex, you name it. We chat about it down here. I give the guys a strength sheet every morning where they can see who the movers and the shakers are. And I'll also put in bias sheets so they can see the direction as well. The dominant direction, that is. And if you ask me, I'll do it for you. But I also put in what I'm doing so they can see my trades well in advance of me taking them. And then the backbone of the Scruffy Squad is this. This is a library of videos that you can use to educate yourself. There's over 500 training videos here. And it is everything you need will be in there. And it's broken down in such a way, if you want to trade a specific strategy, whether it's a day trade, a swing, a scalp. Not sure what I'm going to do with the Morning Star yet. It's forward testing. Maybe something that I'll do for Cuthbert's when it's complete. And if you want to help seeing Cuthbert's, check out the coffee fund and you'll get a little gift for sort of supporting something that's dear to my heart. And that's it. So that's the Scruffy Squad. But let's have a little look and see what the chart is. Well, the chart is cable. I've kind of marked it up. If you look towards the bottom of the screen, it should show the date somewhere down there. 1 o'clock candle on the 1 hour. Let me drop this to 5 minutes and then you'll be able to see it fully. Okay, there you go. Should be able to see it. 25 past 1. So I'll put some key factors in that I can work to. I'm going to work between this line and this line. The market is currently selling down, so thanks for that, Finn. And I need to catch some form of a retracement sometime this afternoon. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'll build it up as we go, and I'll come back to you at the end of the trade. Okay, boys and girls, job done. Hit my 10 pips. Had a little bit of higgery-pokery with the charts, but basically 10 pips at a fiver a pip is 50 quid. And as we can see, I have easily achieved that. Okay, broke it down. Why have I closed it off? Well, that's basically because it's touched the mark that I put on the chart. This one's turning red, so it looks like it wasn't going to run any further. So just kill it. Very, very simple. Job done. So does that mean I get a prize? Does that mean I get a prize?
You want a prize?
Yes.
What prize would that be?
Okay, well, the mind's an amazing organ.
I've got an amazing organ.
It's capable of far more than you'd imagine.
Right again.
It's great when we were younger. Prize would have been, well, she'd have been... Ah, dear. I thought, doesn't matter what I think, really, does it? It's a woman's world.
Oh, we feeling sorry for ourselves now, are we?
Yeah. Feel so upset.
You are the most immature man I've ever met.
Sure, better not.
Yes, you are.
Not.
Oh, God, give me strength.
Can I have a Star Wars figure?
You can't, yeah.
You gonna buy me a Star Wars figure?
I will if you want one.
Well, yeah. Need some more up there.
Mhm.
There we go. How good is that? Anyway, boys and girls, it was really just a little bit of fun on a quiet afternoon, but also to show you that if you put a bit of thought into what you're doing, you can find what you need. The trick is just not be greedy. You know, if you going into it swinging for the fences every time, it's not going to happen that often. Let's put it this way, you'll lose more than you win. But if you go in with a realistic expectation, without greed, without fear, and then just take what the market's willing to give you at that moment in time, and then build on it each particular day, you'll find that you build up a nice little pot. I worked the charts all day yesterday, just here and there, just a little bit, and just clawed my way through it. And as you saw with those results, because that's a rolling 24 hours, I was paid very well. Now earlier on, if you look at the other video, you'll see that I went into the New Zealand US and I pulled some money out of that as well. So again, it's just a case of putting a plan into action, and that's all trading is. It's just being systematic and not trying to be clever. So there we go, a little bit of wisdom for the afternoon. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.